Hello and welcome to my morning yoga routine. Please remember to watch this video all the way through to check it is a suitable level for you. Remember you can pause the video at any time to check that you're in the correct position. And then when you practice more than once, you'll be more familiar with its content and you can practice more fluidly. So take 1 or 2 breaths in child's posture on your mat. Try and encourage the body to relax. Now on the next breath in, we'll come into table position. So lining up the shoulders above the wrists and the hips above the knees. Another deep breath in, and as you exhale, round the back into cat posture. We'll inhale, lower the abdomen, look up towards the ceiling. And as you exhale, walk the hands one space forward, tuck under the toes and push up into downward facing dog. Again, we'll pause here for a few breaths, so checking the feet at the distance of your hips, spreading your hands, and inhaling and exhaling nice and slowly. On your next breath in, as you exhale, we'll lower the hips down into plank and then lower either to chaturanga or all the way down onto the mat. As you inhale, you can come either to a low cobra or into upward facing dog. And as you exhale, we'll come back into downward facing dog. And again, pause for a moment. On your next breath in, we'll raise now the right leg in the air. Exhale, bend the knee and step the feet towards the hands. Spin bound. The back heel on the ground. We'll inhale to warrior one. Take a moment or take a breath in. As you exhale, straighten your front leg. Lower the hands behind the back and interlace the fingers. Inhale, look up to the ceiling. And exhale, we'll come into a forward fold, raising the hands up and overhead. Just breathing nice and slowly here just for a moment. Feeling a nice comfortable stretch. To come out of this posture now, we'll inhale, re-bend the front knee, lifting the chest, looking forward and raising the hands up overhead. We'll exhale, lower the hands onto the mat, lifting up the heel. Inhale, raise the right hand up. And exhale, gently lower the hand down. Inhale now, lifting the left hand up. And exhale, gently lower. Inhale now, stepping back into plank. As you exhale, lower to chaturanga, the floor. Inhale to upward facing dog or to cobra. And exhale once more into downward facing dog, where we'll pause just for a moment. Nice slow breathing, encouraging the heels towards the ground. Now we'll inhale, lifting your left leg up into the air. Exhale, bend the knees, step the foot forward, spin the back heel on the ground, and we'll inhale the arms overhead. Just pause just for a moment. We'll exhale, straighten the front leg. Inhale, look up to the ceiling, interlacing the fingers behind the back. And exhale, once more, come into a forward fold, encouraging the head, the hands up and over the head. Pausing, have a nice stretch here. To come out of this posture, we'll inhale, re-bend the knee, lifting the chest, looking forward, raising the hands up overhead. Exhale, lower both hands onto the ground and raise the back heel. Inhale, this time lift the left hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower. Inhale, raise the right hand up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, now stepping back into plank. We'll exhale to chaturanga or to the floor. Inhale to cobra or to upward facing dog. And exhale, resting one more time in downward facing dog. This time we'll take a breath in. As you exhale, we'll lower all the way down to the ground. Taking your time, untucking the toes. We can inhale either just into a low cobra, or we can come up into bow position. So lifting up the heels, taking hold of the ankles and lifting the chest. Take a breath in. Exhale, gently lower all the way down onto the mat. Next breath in, we'll come to table, and exhale, come into child's posture. We'll do this all the way again. So inhaling one more time, coming to table, and exhale, round the back in cat. Inhale, lowering the abdomen, looking up towards the ceiling, and exhale, walk the hands one space forward, tuck under the toes, and push up into downward facing dog. We'll go straight in this time, so taking a breath in, exhale, lowering when you're ready into plank, lowering down to chaturanga or to the floor. Inhale to cobra or upward facing dog, and exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, when you're ready, raise the right leg in the air. Exhale, bend the knee, step the foot forward, spin the back heel on the ground, and we'll inhale into Warrior One. Take one more breath in. As you exhale, we'll straighten the front leg, bring the hands behind the back, interlacing the fingers, looking up. And on your exhale, lowering the chest, lifting the hands up and overhead, just pausing here, having a nice stretch. Breathing in and out through the nose. To come out of this posture, we'll inhale, rebend the front knee, lifting the chest, looking forward, raising the hands up overhead. And then we'll exhale, lower the hands down to the floor, raising the back heel. Inhale, lift the right hand up to the ceiling. Exhale, gently lower the hand down. Inhale, lift the left hand up. And exhale, gently lower. Inhale, now step back into plank. We'll exhale to the floor to Chaturanga. Inhale to Cobra or to Upward Facing Dog, whichever feels more comfortable. And then we'll exhale into Downward Facing Dog. And we'll come through to do the other side. So next breath in, we'll raise now the left leg in the air. Exhale, bend the knee, step the left forward. Back heel on the ground. We'll inhale the arms overhead into Warrior One. Just pause here for a moment. Take a deep breath in, straightening the leg, bring the hands behind the back, looking up to the ceiling. And on your exhale, lifting the hands up overhead and lowering the chest towards the knee. Pause here, have a nice slow breath, stretching the back of the legs. To come out of this posture, inhale, rebend your knee when you're ready, lifting the chest, looking forward and raising the hands up into Warrior One. We'll exhale, gently lower the hands down onto the mat, raising the heel. Inhale, lift the left hand up this time. Exhale, gently lower. Inhale, lift the right hand up. And exhale, gently lower. Inhale one more time, stepping back into plank. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale into Upward Facing Dog or Cobra. And exhale to Downward Facing Dog. Just pause for a moment. We'll take a breath in. As you exhale, come into plank. And then gently lower all the way down onto the mat, untucking the toes. You can inhale once more, either to a Cobra or into bow. So bending the knees if you're coming into bow, taking hold of the ankles. Inhale, lift the chest up. And exhale, releasing and gently lower down. Next breath in, pushing up into table. And exhale into Child's Posture. So you can either practice this posture again, this routine again, this video again, and do the whole routine again. Or you can finish here. Take a few slow breaths here, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Really try and breathe into the back of the body. So this is a really good routine to practice in the morning, just to wake up the body. By working on 10 minutes a day, you're more likely to keep yoga in your life and keep it as a daily routine. If you've liked this video, please click like below and write me a comment to tell me what you think of this posture, what you think of this routine, and if you'd like to see any other videos. And also please remember to subscribe to my page to see any future videos coming up. I look forward to hearing from you.